Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked on multiplexers. Consider the two cascade 2 to 1 multiplexers as shown in the figure. Means here they have given two 2 by 1 multiplexers and they are asking that the minimum sum of products form of the output X is. Means what is the output you are going to get at the end of these two 2 by 1 mux. So how we are going to solve it? So basically when you are going to control the first multiplexer, the one of the input line is going to be selected and that input line is going to be sent it to the output. That output will be acted as input to the second mux, right? So let's try to solve it. So if I am going to control as p bar, what select line, what input is going to be selected into 0, right? If I am going to give p, it is going to select r, that is input 1, right? So finally if you are going to solve it, you are going to get pr. That pr will be the output, that same pr will be available as input to the second mux. Now if I am going to control q, then you are going to get q bar as q bar for the first time. So q bar into, it is going to select the input 0, so it is r naught plus q into p into r. So finally we are going to get q bar r bar plus q into p into r. Just check with the options. So option D is going to be matched, so option D is the correct answer. Thank you.